Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a no-bake cheesecake. This is so delicious and so simple. You can use homemade cream cheese for this. I have a recipe for that and I'm going to link that on the screen. You can click there or have the link in the description so you can go watch that. Or if you already have store-bought cream cheese, it's even simpler. It's a few whisks away. You just put a few ingredients together and put it in the refrigerator or a freezer and it's done. So let's go ahead and watch the recipe. Here I have 200 grams of cream cheese, and to this I'm adding 1/4 cup of powdered swerve. You can add any sweetener of your choice, but you need to powder it because we are not cooking this. So you will get that granulated texture in your mouth if you don't powder it. Now this is half a cup of fresh cream, and we are also going to add half a cup of Greek yogurt. I like the combination of the yogurt and the cream cheese because the yogurt is slightly tart and cream cheese is a little rich. So it works really well together. You can also substitute the yogurt for hunkered. So that is just the yogurt that you strain out all the water from. That's called hunkered. And then we add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix this together, but you'll see that since my cream cheese was cold, it's not getting mixed. So I'm going to take it to the gas burner and warm it up a little bit. And here it is. Now it mixes really well. And once that is done, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a quick taste because you want to make sure that the sweetness is as per your liking. As I always say, that sweetness is something that depends from person to person. So I suggest that you taste it and adjust at this point. I've added 20 drops of stevia and mix this, and now my mixture is ready and we're going to pour it into silicone molds. If you don't have silicone molds, you can put it in glass cups or even metal molds. I'm going to put some of these in the refrigerator and the others in the freezer because once you unmold it from the freezer, it looks much more attractive. That's the only reason. Otherwise it tastes just as good refrigerated. So you can call it an ice cream or a set cheesecake or something like that. Anyway, so once that is done, let it be in the refrigerator or the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours. Before you forget, let me remind you to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell or all notifications, which is right next to the subscribe button. Also share the recipe with your friends and family if you think they might love to watch this. So once our ice cream is set, I'm going to unmold this on the plate, and if you're using a metal mold, you dip it for at least 10 seconds in warm water and then it'll come out really well. So look at my beautiful cheesecake. I've put some raspberry sugar-free syrup on top and 1 blueberry. I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe and will try it out. Send me pictures. The handles are all in the description. Also, leave me a comment if you have any questions or any feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye.